Hello everyone. Uh, Today let us solve another question. The question is already sent to your group. So in the given question, let me have the given values first. Given the spot price is say $95 and t equals to 6 months, and that can be written like 0.5 and r equals to 10%, and that is nothing but 0.10. Since holding the bond, since holding the bond involves a cash inflow, a cash inflow, M is negative, M is minus. Therefore, PV of present value of phi is equals to M equals to minus e raised to minus 0.10 into 0.25 into 5 s into e raised to minus rt, and that gives minus 4.877. Already I have done the solution, just I am giving the ready-made food. Therefore forward pricing formula is, therefore forward pricing formula is given by f equals to e raised to 0.10 uh, or s into, s means 95 minus 4.877, that is the value of s here, into e raised to 0.10 into 0.5, that is equals to 90.123 into e raised to 0.05, and that gives 94.74. So any other delivery price, any other delivery price, it leads to an arbitrage opportunity. Arbitrage opportunity. Now let us calculate the arbitrage opportunity in case of overvalued forward and undervalued forward. So first case, arbitrage from an overvalued forward. Uh, Suppose whenever f value is greater than 94.74, then it's called as overvalued forward. Suppose f is greater than 94.74, say f equals to 95.25, then the forward is overvalued relative to spot by, find the difference between 95.25 and 94.74, and that gives say dollar 0.51. So we should buy spot, okay, sell forward and borrow. More preciously, First step, enter into a short forward position. Enter into a short forward position. Short forward position to sell the bond. To sell the bond in 6 months time. In 6 months time for $95.25. Here all the figures are in dollars. Okay, all the figures are in dollars. Second step, you buy 1 unit of the spot asset. 1 unit of the spot asset for $95.25 and hold it up to time. And step number 3, borrow PV of 5 is given as $4.877 for repayment in 3 months. For repayment in 3 months. And $90.123 for repayment in 6 months. And let me give the a table showing the cash flow. Table showing cash flow. Table showing cash flow. Source of cash flow. Initial cash flow and interim cash flow. And we have final cash flow. First step is short forward, right? Short forward. So the final cash flow is plus 95.25. Next, long spot, that is minus 95.5000, and interim cash flow is plus 5.000. 3 month borrowing. 3 month borrowing gives 4.877, and here minus 4.000. And 6 month borrowing gives plus 90.123 and dash here 94.74. So net cash flow means net cash flows is given by plus 0.51. So this is the arbitrage profit. Okay, therefore arbitrage profit equals to is equals to 0.51. So this is the of calculating the arbitrage from overvalued forward. Now let us see arbitrage from an undervalued forward. Okay, let us calculate the arbitrage from undervalued forward. So suppose F is less than 94.74. F is less than 94.74. Say F equals to 94.25. F is equals to say 94.25. Then the forward is undervalued. Forward is undervalued relative to spot by, you have to find the difference, it is 0.49. So we should buy forward, sell spot. We should buy forward, sell spot, sell spot, and invest. So in greater detail, or more preciously, in greater detail, enter into a long forward, enter into a long forward to sell the bond in 6 months time for $94.25. This is the first step. Next, short 1 unit, of the bond, 1 unit of the bond for $95.95, right? For 95, and hold it up to the T. Invest PV of phi, that is $4.877. We already calculated here for 3 months, for 3 months, and 90.123 for 6 months, So now let me show the table showing the cash flow. Source of cash flow, then initial cash flow, next interim cash flow, and final cash flow. So first long forward, so it is minus 94.25, and short spot, second step, short spot, so it is plus 95.000 and here minus 5.000, and 3 month investment, minus 4.877 and here plus 5.000, and next 6 month investment, 6-month that is minus 90.123 and here minus plus 94.74. So net cash flows is, now let us calculate the net cash flows. Just you have to find the difference between 94.25 and 94.74, that gives plus 0.49. So after 6 months the contract is at maturity. So after 6 months the contract is at maturity. At this point we receive a 90.123 into e raised to 0.10 into 0.50 gives dollar 94.74 from 6 months investments. Just I have explained what you are written in the table. Okay, and we pay dollar 94.25 on the forward contract, on the forward contract. Therefore arbitrage profit is 0.49. Therefore profit arbitrage profit equals to dollar 0.49. Okay, no need to write these sentences. You can directly write the value as 0.49 clearly here. So this is the answer to that question. Thank you so much. You write all the steps clearly, then only you will come to know how to calculate the arbitrage. Thank you so much. Have a nice time.